There are times in life where the simplest things are just not easy to see. They're right there, but you don't see them. And when they're pointed out to you, it's like, oh my God, it was right there. And I can use this, and I could do this, and it makes things easier. This video is one of those things. Welcome back to the Rebel Tech channel. I'm Justin, and in this video we're going to be talking about your display settings on the Zoom F6. Going into how to get there, what it has to offer, and how it can be useful for your content, and how you use the Zoom F6 to its fullest potential. And that is really the point of all these videos I'm putting out. It might be a concept that is very simple. It might be a topic that you might not have wanted or needed, but it's there for you if you ever run into an issue. And like I said in my thank you video, down in the comments, let me know if there's any Zoom F6 things you want me to cover so that I can put more videos like this out. So first things first, let's talk about how you get to the display settings in the Zoom F6. First, you're going to go to Menu, System, Settings, then Display. In Display, you have three options: Time Display, Peak Hold Time, and Outdoor Mode. Now let's go into Time Display first. In your Time Display, you have Recording, Playing, and Record Time Reset. Now I'm going to explain what all those mean. Recording and playing, both of them are a representation of, do you have it saying how much time is left on your card or how much time has been recorded. It's however you feel you want to have it. It's a personal preference. There's not a right or wrong. It's just you can adjust it that way to see which way you like more. Maybe test it a little bit and play around with it, see what you like. For me, I like to have it with the time that is happening. So if I record 5 minutes, I want it to say 5 minutes, not the amount of time that is left. Like I used up 5 minutes and it's just me personally. If you have a different opinion, let me know. And let me know how you use it down in the comments. Now, the last thing in Time Display is this Record Time Reset. Now, when you turn this Record Time Reset on, there will be a 2 GB limit. This always happens, regardless if this is on or off. Once it reaches that limit in the recorder, it will start a new file. Now, if this is on, it resets the time to 0. If it is off, the next file will have taken over where the time is in the previous one. So for example, if you're recording, I don't know, 25 minutes and it just so happens to go over 2 gigs. I don't know. I'm ballparking here. I don't know the exact number. So don't fact check me on that. I know I'm off. So let's say for argument's sake, 25 minutes. You reach 25 minutes, it reached 2 gigs, goes to the next file. If it's on, the next file will be 0, starting at 0 time. If this is off, it will show you 25 on. So the next file is starting 25 and to whatever, the next threshold. Now the next thing this has to offer back in the display settings is your peak hold time. Now, when I thought of this, it's one of those things like I said in the intro. There are things in life that they're right under your nose, but you don't realize it. And chances are, if I didn't know about this, I probably wouldn't have affected my life very much, and it would just be, I'd just be going on with my normal life. But knowing that it's there and knowing that I could change it is nice because it's more information that I have. Maybe I'll just throw it back in the depths of my mind and I never go to it outside of this video. But it's there. And now it's with you. And this is what it does. This sets the amount of time you see the peak line, quote unquote, for your audio level. So when you have the audio level bouncing up and down, it leaves like a little notch where that peak was. Now this is the amount of time that peak stays there. You could turn it off, you could make it unlimited, whatever you want. One more thing, and I have a short out for this. Outdoor mode. There's a short for outdoor mode. If you're interested in setting up outdoor mode, go check out the short and the other shorts that are available on the channel. And that's all I got for you today. Display settings on the Zoom F6. Very simple, very easy. It's one of those things that it's right under your nose, but maybe this is informative. If it's informative, hit the like button. I really appreciate that. Gets the video out to more people, more informed about the Zoom F6, and possibly the Zoom F6 guy on YouTube. I think I am. I'm claiming it. I'm taking the crown. I'm the Zoom F6 guy on YouTube. Taking the crown right now. And of course, like I've been telling you throughout this video, if you have any comments about this, more Zoom F6 ideas, more things you want to know about this cool little device that I really love. It's one of my favorite things I've ever bought, and it's just really nice to be able to inform you guys about this device, especially people who are in my shoes who work with it and actually go on shoots and using it professionally. It's nice to help you guys out and make your lives a little bit easier when using this device. Now, of course, there are limitations because there's only so much I can cover and there's only so much that I can answer without hoping that Zoom will actually listen. But until that day, until they listen, you got me. And I'll do my best and do all the research I can to help you out. And I know I've been saying it a lot. Thank you all. I'm going to be doing this in a bunch of my videos. So thank you all for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. We made it. We made it to 1,000 subscribers. And it's one of those things that is awesome. And if you want to check out streams are on Monday for the remainder of the year in 2021. So if you're watching this in 2022, could be the same, might be different. Also, keep an eye out on the community tab. I will give you updates, maybe if something comes up or whatever it is. I have things planned. I have a lot of stuff, a lot of behind the scenes stuff planned. So Throwback Thursdays will be just a video that I found in the past that I want to share with you guys again. And if you're interested in those videos, or if you're interested in a video being suggested, let me know down in the comments. Also, you could ask me things while I stream. That's cool too. All I ask is you be nice and kind and all that stuff. It's in the bio of this channel. Basically, don't be, it's in there. You could read it. I gotta update it, but you can read it. And that's it. Until next time, take care. I'll see you in the next video. How long is her neck? Not a question I was expecting to ask today.